What? 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 That's what you will get most likely, or not at all, if you order one of the scams e-bikes which was posted on Amazon. So what I got, actually, that box was actually from this bicycle, one baht, but what I got, actually nothing in the mail. So luckily I got all my money back, and it was a scam. And this scam happens not only on Amazon, it happens on AliExpress, on Walmart, and many marketplace, even Target marketplace. Any marketplace, there is always scammers. So be very careful, pay with credit card. Also contact the company right away if you don't receive the items, or the item arrived incorrectly. Items, sometimes they send you something else like a pen or anything. And I will get my refund most likely in the next 5 days. And if you want to see Lectric XP video, unfortunately I will not make it because I never got one and it was a scam. If Lectric XP will be nice enough to send me one or lend me one, so I can make compare videos on it and share with you. Till then I can only make compare video on the bicycle I have, or give you like my guess compare. So if you want me to make just my guess compare videos on Lectric XP versus this bike or any other bikes, comment below. And this bike I'm gonna make video probably on Jessambol Pro and Hayes compare. And I can tell you, this bike is different a little bit and I like it. It's fit me better than Hayes or Jessambol Pro or than Voyager in some ways. So it's definitely worth to take a look on one baht S7, and the quality actually is better than I expect. It's on Amazon. If you get $200 off right now, I have an additional 5% until December 20. I'll post link in description. You just click on it and you get extra 5% off. So the bike will be about $475, I believe. Okay, or $465. Yeah, $465 most likely, something like that, before taxes. So it's still a very good deal. It's going up to 20 miles with pedaling. Without pedaling, it's going about, I think, 18 miles, actual miles per hour. And I want to thank you guys for watching my videos, hitting the like button, subscribe to my channel, and wish you all happy holidays and happy Thanksgivings. And I'll see you in the next video. See you later.